chugga, chugga. Whoa. Let me zoom in to get a better angle. Look at these beautiful things I've got. Look at these beautiful things I've got. I've been infected with the skippy wizard.
Trying to think of the areas I used to live in. We have with the grandkids and all the way over in our cars, all the way over there.
Tugga, 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 tugga. No. Whoa. This is cool.
They got a deal over there where you can rent those deals your phone. And they got the pedal ones too where you can ride up that.
It's way high, too.
It's like the Mile High grocery.
Whoa. Can you get out of the way, stupid trees? This way? That's not a good thing. Or a good way.
North and a little bit east of it. Probably in Manitoba. Not too far east. That's not where our grandparents live. Up by
Whoa.
Yeah, that's the
Georgetown. Loop Railroad. I thought that was going to be another Sasquatch family.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Chugga, chugga, chugga. Chugga, 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 chugga. These mountains are so beautiful. Mountains are beautiful. Oh, and they're a good way to die. Chugga, 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 chugga. Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Alrighty folks, as we round it off, first we're entering our silver plume yard. Like the train station over 130 years ago. Silver plume is going to be a halfway point of our ride today. Derek over there, hi Derek. So silver plume is a halfway point of our ride today. We're going to be stopping here for about 15 minutes while the motor takes on a little 500-gallon sip of water. You folks are going to be welcome to get off in a few minutes if you'd like to. We have a gift shop available with drinks and snacks and obviously gifts. We also have restrooms available for anybody that needs that facility. And if you're interested, we also have a nice little museum with a couple of historic
This is cool.
cars. Well, they're not rolling right now, you can see it. Welcome to Silver Plume, Colorado, elevation 9,178 feet. And for those of you that have the optional mine tours on your tickets today, you might be interested to know that this is not the stop of the mine tour. Again, folks, this is not the mine stop. The mine stop is going to be the first stop of the downhill trip. So will be 10 minutes after the car Silver Plume. Please keep your seats until the train has come to a full stop.
Remember, Silver Plume on that railroad.
Can we move up a car? I want to move up a car. Good mountain shots be like.
Now there's a gift shop here.
Once the train has come to a complete
You can
stop,
go spend
it is now
money.
safe to make your way through the train and out of the platform.
Never know it. They might
Now, for those of you that are going to decide to disembark, remember you will have to rebuild
I don't
this
think it'll be
train.
anything different than the
Our
other one
next train
down
is
there.
very full. There won't be any room for you on that once you have to rebuild this one. We're leaving here at 12:05. Try to be back actually just before that.
Whoa.
Leave on time. For anybody that's going to stop off and have a stroll or pop on something, keep in mind we do not
Can we
allow
go?
that
I want to go on a
activity up
different
here
car.
on the wooden platform. A little smoking section, smoking area, whatever you want to call it, is going to be on the other side of the depot. So if you just go in that door at the far end,
I want
could
to.
use-
cross through, pop out the door on the other side.
Yeah.
Find
I
yourself
could
in
use the
parking lot,
restroom.
you can smoke over there if you need to. Just a reminder for those of you that are going to stay even though the train is not moving, we do not allow standing on the seats or sitting on the sides of the cars. That's a pretty big safety hazard. So please go ahead and keep your feet on the floor and keep your butts in the seats. Remember folks, we're leaving at 12:05. It is 12.05 over time. And just going to restate this again for the third time. This is not the stop for the line room. Your line stop is going to be the first stop on the downhill trip.
Denver's 53.9 miles away.
Huh. Gift shop time.
Oh yeah, the big one.
Sorry.
Face. Wait on the other side of the door. Come here. Don't put hand in your mouth. Wait for Linda.
Where are they?
Okay, then come here.
Please stop.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Don't touch anything.
What's this?
Oh yeah. Go up, go up.
Trash can, trash can, trash.
Okay.
Every time you open it,
Bing,
it
bing,
explodes.
ring, ring. Hmm. Engine.
House.
Oh,
That was engine house. This is a truck.
engine. Engines.
Alright.
Bigfoot. Biggie footy. I was gonna go across the tracks.
Did you?
Daddy, we're gonna go in the museum. Sure. Let's go in the museum.
You better wait for.
Da 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 da.
Can you imagine? What was that?
What?
Oh, that book about they were on the train and snowstorm came through.
I survived the Washington avalanche. Here we go. We're going to the museum. Huh? how much longer did it?
Since you gotta kill 5 minutes.
Yeah?
We're going across and wait for Linda. We're gonna go across. Do you wanna wait for Linda?
Why were you trying to grab me?
Bathroom. Okay. You go to the museum?
Yeah, just for a couple minutes. You know how much time?
Okay. Museum. Plymouth. Whoa. That's cool. What is this?
Replicate of Georgetown.
Okay. Why are there so many so many trees over here? But literally none over here.
A lot of Christmas trees.
It lasts for a long time.
We're up to
Now on a video, I can take it.
15 minutes.
That's